Good day, viewers. Welcome to Steve Online Maths. Today, we are going to look into a topic called probability. What is probability? Probability simply means a game of chance or the measure of likelihood of occurrence of an event. The measure of likelihood of occurrence of an event. Then to that we explain a term called event. What is an event? Event is anything that can happen, anything that can take place, be it burial ceremony, be it sports, engaging in sports, football, running a race or athletes. All those things are events, for the fact they will take place. Now let's look at the terms associated with probability. They are one, certain, event. Two, likely, event. Three, unlikely, event. Four, impossible, event. Five, independent, event. Six, mutually, exclusive, event. And this seven, equal, likely, event. Okay, having listed the terms associated with probability, let's now start to explain them briefly, one after the other. A certain event. An event is said to be certain if such events will take place. Any event that will take place, no matter the condition or circumstance, you call such event a certain event. Example of such is, if today is Monday, the probability that tomorrow is Tuesday is certain, because definitely tomorrow must be Tuesday. Another one, if this month is October, the probability that next month will be November is also certain. Such events are said to be certain, which is an event that will take place no matter the condition. Now we'll go to the second one, likely event. An event is said to be likely if such event has greater tendency of occurring. How do I mean? If there is a bag or two bags or one, let's use one. If there is a bag that contains two identical balls, let's say a blue ball and red ball, of which the red balls are 11 in number and the blue is just 2. The probability of picking a red ball will happen more likely, simply because the bag contains more number of balls than red balls than blue balls. So because of that, picking the red ball will happen easily. It will not take time to happen because it's more likely, because of the numbers. Their number of red balls are greater than the blue balls. Then opposite of likely is unlikely, which means an event that has little chance of occurring. Example, let's take for instance, if a bag contains two identical balls of different colors, let's say blue and yellow, maybe there are 12 blues and 3 yellow. Probability of picking a yellow ball now will be slim, simply because there are small number of yellow balls. So such events are said to be unlikely events. Then we have impossible events. An event is said to be impossible if such event cannot take place. Opposite of certain is impossible, because in impossible it will not occur no matter the circumstance. Example, if today is Tuesday, the probability that tomorrow is Friday is impossible because it will not happen. Or if there is a basket of fruits that contain just two fruits, say apple and pineapple, the probability of picking orange from such basket will not happen because the basket did not contain such fruits. Then we go to the next one, which is independent events. Independent. Two events are said to be independent if the occurrence of one did not stop the other one from occurring. If one did not stop other ones from occurring. Let's take for instance that Musa went to market did not stop Musa's younger brother, maybe Hassan, from watching a football match. Or that Andrew is playing football outside did not stop the sister, the younger sister, from cooking. Such events are said to be independent. Then the next one is mutually exclusive. Is opposite of independent. In mutually exclusive events, there are such events that when they occur, they stop the other one from occurring. Example, let's use flipping of Lido seed and toasting a coin. Maybe if a Lido seed is toast, the probability of getting, maybe you got one after flipping it, then the appearance of one in front has stopped other sides from occurring. Remember, a die has 6 sides. So if you should flip it, anyone that appears in front has stopped other ones from occurring. Example again, if you toast a coin has just 2 sides, the tail and the head. If the tail appears in the front, it will definitely stop the head from appearing. Such events that one stops the other one from occurring are said to be mutually exclusive. Then finally, equally likely. Two events are said to be equally likely if two of them have equal chance of occurring. Example, if a bag contains 2 identical balls of the same size but different colors, if such balls are maybe 6 red and 6 blue, probability of picking either a blue ball or a red ball will happen equally. That means you say they are likely to occur because they are equal in number. So that is what we have for today for the introduction of probability. From next class, we can then solve examples on it. Thank you and bye.